LibreOffice Impress is an open-sourced version of presentation software. For those of you who are unfamiliar with presentation software, you have probably seen someone giving a lecture or talk with a big screen near them, and they flip through the slides of text and graphics from a projector that help them explain their talk. That was created with presentation software. They connect the computer with the presentation to a projector to show it on the screen or wall near them. I believe the most well-known presentation software is Microsoft PowerPoint. There is also Keynote for Mac users. LibreOffice Impress is somewhat compatible with PowerPoint. It can read in some PowerPoint presentations and templates, and in this case I'm referring to a template as a background image and text format. Don't try and open your LibreOffice Impress presentation with PowerPoint for the first time in front of people. The presentation may look fine, but it may also look very bad. You should first take a look for yourself at what the result is before you open it up in front of a group. LibreOffice Impress runs on Windows, Linux, or Mac. I'm running this on a Linux Mint 17.3 64-bit operating system. It may look slightly different on your computer, depending on the operating system and the icons you are using. LibreOffice Impress can also be used to create a slideshow. I've added some transitions to these slides and set them to switch to the next picture after a set period of time. Another feature of LibreOffice Impress is to draw or write directly on the presentation while you're giving it. This can come in handy if you want to circle a specific value or object in the presentation. I will circle key lime. Also down here we see that it's this bright green color, and on the chart we've got the bright green piece of pie. We will look at how to do all of these things and more in this tutorial series. But first, I would like to check a few settings to make sure this series is as clear as possible. I want to make sure the tooltips are turned on, and the tooltips can be found under Tools, Options, then under the General tab under LibreOffice, I'm going to click the checkbox for tips. Now when I put my arrow over an icon, we get the tooltip telling us what that is. These icons are very plain. I want to change them as well. To do that, I'll go into Tools, Options, View, and here under User Interface, Icon Size and Style, I'm going to change this human to I only have human. To fix this, I need to cancel out of here, and I will close this, and I will open the Software Center. In the search bar, I will type in LibreOffice-Style- and press Enter. Here we see we've got Crystal, Tango, Breeze, Galaxy. I'm going to load in the Tango style. Install. It is installed. I'm going to reopen LibreOffice Impress. And here we see we've got the color icons that look a little nicer than those plain ones we had a minute ago. Going back into Tools, Custom, View, we see we're using the Tango icons. We also have Galaxy that downloaded with the Tango icons. Taking a quick look at them, shows they're just a little bit different, but they're still nice. I am going to go back to the Tango icons and use them. In the next tutorial, we're going to talk about the LibreOffice Impress window. If you like these videos, please tell a friend.